are some... Oh wow, these are stamped octagons. Cool, dude. Finally found some stamped octagons. Let's see, are these reeds or reams? These are reams. They are green classics. They're both 10 SEER, as you can see. Again, these are stamped octagons. Let's see, let's read the data sheet. I can't really see it. Let's see. On this one, the model number is RAKA-030JAZ, and the serial number is 5339M3396. Interesting. So the disconnect boxes, that's one like I have, and that's some different one that's older. I'm guessing that one has the same data sheet. And nice units. Finally found some stamped octagons.